I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup paste, full guide. Start by gathering white or red miso, dashi stock, kombu, bonito flakes, tofu, wakame, and scallions, then measure each ingredient carefully to preserve flavor balance. Warm the dashi gently without boiling to protect delicate umami, and dissolve miso off heat to avoid bitterness. Keep tasting and adjusting small amounts until the soup reaches a smooth, savory harmony. Begin with warm dashi and scoop a few tablespoons into a bowl, then whisk in miso until smooth before adding back to the pot. This prevents clumps and bitterness. Keep the pot off direct heat while combining miso to protect its probiotics and bright taste. Once incorporated, gently fold in cubed tofu and hydrated wakame so they retain structure, and finish with thinly sliced scallions for freshness and a subtle onion aroma. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful cooking guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the O-Ala water bottle, perfect for keeping a sip nearby while you simmer miso. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with white versus red miso blends to add layered umami without overpowering the dish, and always adjust by tasting small increments. Consider mixing in sautéed mushrooms for earthiness or a drop of toasted sesame oil for warmth and aroma. Remember that miso is salty, so increase liquid first if the soup becomes too intense, and serve immediately for the brightest flavor and best texture contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.